it's been a great experience for our guys. I mean, the hospitality has been unbelievable. The competition has been great in terms of exactly what we needed between the Eurocamp and then the games here in Caorle. It's been great, and I mean, the hotel's been wonderful. I mean, everything's been super. When we decided to make this trip, it was tough to sort of feel comfortable that everything would go away okay to go on such a long trip, and it's been better than we could possibly have expected. And, you know, obviously, Fabio, we got to thank you for all that, and you know, the Maurizio for the games that we got at Eurocamp added to it as well. But just the general basketball experience and the life experience, and the city was unbelievable to us, and it was a perfect fit. I mean, close enough to Venice, where we got an opportunity to see Venice, but big enough that when we were in the city at the hotel, we had plenty to do, and it was really special trip. And again, I know all our guys had a wonderful time.